Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about all things money making. Today, I want to talk about the year 2023 and how you can make money online. In the year 2023, the world has changed a lot. Flying cars, robot assistants, and virtual reality are now part of our daily lives. And with these changes come new opportunities to make money online. So, what are some ways you can make money online in 2023? Let's take a look. First up, virtual reality experiences. With more and more people owning their headsets, there's a huge demand for immersive experiences. So if you're creative and have some programming skills, you can create your own VR experiences and sell them online. Next, social media influencer. It's not a new concept, but in 2023, being an influencer is more lucrative than ever. With the rise of social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, companies are willing to pay top dollar for influencers to promote their products. Thirdly, online tutoring. With more and more students opting for online education, there's a huge demand for online tutors. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can start your own online tutoring service and make money from the comfort of your own home. Fourthly, smart device repair. With so many people using smart devices like phones and watches, there's a huge demand for repair services. If you're tech savvy, you can start your own repair service and make money fixing people's devices. And finally, cryptocurrency. In 2023, cryptocurrency has become even more popular, and there are more ways than ever to make money with it. You can invest in it, mine it, or even create your own cryptocurrency. So there you have it. 5 ways you can make money online in the year 2023. But remember, no matter what you do, always stay ahead of the curve and keep your eyes open for new opportunities. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.